Welcome to the Bloody Channel, you lot. Are you tired of looking like you just crawled out of a pie crust? Do you need to drop a few pounds faster than a dropped souffle? Then listen up. Because today we're on a mission to whip up some healthy, delicious smoothies that will have you feeling like £1,000,000. We're talking quick, easy recipes that even a donkey could handle. No more excuses for reaching for those sugary, processed disasters. We're going to blitz our way to a slimmer, healthier you. Get those blenders ready because it's about to get delicious in here. Alright, you lazy sods, let's kick things off with a green machine smoothie that'll make you feel like Popeye on steroids. This isn't just any ordinary smoothie. It's packed with nutrients and will give you the energy boost you need to tackle anything the day throws at you, so roll up your sleeves and let's get blending. First, grab a handful of spinach. Yes, I said spinach, stop whining. And stuff it into the blender. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and magnesium. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that will make your body sing with joy. Don't skimp on it. We need a good amount to make this smoothie truly green and mean. We need enough to make a salad for a family of 4. Think of it as the foundation of our smoothie. The more spinach the better. It's what gives our drink that vibrant green color and a hefty dose of health benefits. Next, we're going in with some kale. Kale is another leafy green that's packed with nutrients. It's got fiber, antioxidants, calcium, and even more vitamins. It's like spinach's tougher, more resilient cousin. Trust me, your body will thank you for this. Don't even think about using that pre-chopped rubbish. Get in there and rip it up yourselves. There's something satisfying about tearing those leaves apart with your own hands. Plus, it ensures that you're getting the freshest, most nutrient-dense parts of the kale. Now, to cut through the green, we need a bit of sweetness. This is where our green apple comes in. Apples are great because they add a natural sweetness without overpowering the other flavors. Plus, they bring in a bit of fiber and vitamin C. A small green apple, cored and chopped, will do the trick. Now, for the liquid. The apple will balance out the bitterness of the greens and make the smoothie more palatable. It's the perfect complement to our leafy ingredients. None of that sugary juice, you hear me? We're going with water, plain and simple. Water is the best way to keep our smoothie clean and healthy. It helps blend everything together without adding any unnecessary calories or sugars. Blitz the bloody lot until it's smoother than a baby's backside. You want to make sure everything is well blended and there are no chunks left. A smooth texture is key to a good smoothie. It should be easy to drink and enjoyable, and for God's sake, make sure there are no lumps. Lumps are the enemy of a good smoothie. They make it unpleasant to drink and can ruin the whole experience. Take your time blending to get it just right. This isn't some amateur hour cooking show. We're after perfection here. A well-made smoothie is a thing of beauty. It's not just about throwing ingredients together. It's about creating something that's both delicious and nutritious. Pour that vibrant green goodness into a glass, take a good hard look at it, and tell me it doesn't look absolutely delicious. The color alone should make your mouth water. It's a sign of all the good stuff packed into that glass. Go on, try it. You might actually be surprised. The taste is fresh, slightly sweet, and incredibly refreshing. It's the perfect way to start your day, or give yourself a midday boost. Enjoy every sip knowing you're doing something great for your body. Next up, we're blasting off with a berry blast-off smoothie that'll send your taste buds into orbit. This one's for all you berry lovers out there. But don't think for a minute that it's all sugar and sunshine. We're keeping it lean and mean, so listen up. Grab a handful of mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you fancy, and chuck them in the blender. Now, for some creamy goodness without the guilt, we're adding a dollop of Greek yogurt. Not that sugary rubbish, mind you, the real deal, full-fat stuff. A drizzle of honey, just a touch. Don't go overboard, we'll add a touch of sweetness. And finally, a splash of water to loosen it up. Blitz it all together until it's smoother than a chat-up line from a cheesy Italian chef. Pour it into a glass, garnish with a few extra berries if you're feeling fancy, and prepare for blast-off. This smoothie is so good, it'll have you floating on cloud 9. Feeling a bit sluggish? Like you need a holiday? Well, this next smoothie is just the ticket. We're jetting off to a tropical paradise with this pineapple and mango getaway smoothie. It's like a taste of sunshine in a glass, and it's going to blow your mind. Grab a ripe pineapple, none of those hard green excuses for fruit, and chop it up. We need about a cup of chunks. Now, for the mango. A perfectly ripe mango, soft to the touch, and bursting with flavor. Dice it up and toss it in with the pineapple. To give it that tropical twist, we're adding a good glug of coconut water. None of that sugary rubbish, mind you, the real deal. straight from the coconut. Blitz it all together until it's as smooth as a salsa dancer's hips. Pour it into a glass, garnish with a slice of pineapple, and prepare to be transported to paradise. This smoothie is so good you'll forget all about your troubles. Listen up, you lot. Gather around because what I'm about to share with you is going to revolutionize your workout routine. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting your fitness journey, this smoothie is designed to give you that extra edge. This next smoothie is for all you gym bunnies and muscle heads out there. It's packed with everything you need to fuel those intense workouts and help you recover faster. Imagine a drink that not only tastes amazing, but also supports your muscle growth and energy levels. We're talking about a protein powerhouse smoothie that'll pump you up and fuel your workouts like never before. This isn't just any ordinary smoothie. It's a game changer. With the right ingredients, you can turn your post-workout recovery into a delicious treat. No more excuses for skipping leg day. This smoothie will give you the energy and motivation you need to tackle even the toughest workouts. Say goodbye to those days when you feel too tired to hit the gym. Grab a ripe banana, the browner, the better, and chuck it in the blender. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars and potassium, which help in muscle recovery and prevent cramps. Plus, they add a creamy texture to your smoothie. Now for the protein hit, we're adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and choosing the right powder can make all the difference. Whether you prefer whey, soy, or pea protein, make sure it's high quality. Choose wisely. You don't want to end up tasting like a chemical experiment. Look for a protein powder with minimal ingredients and no artificial sweeteners. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. A dollop of peanut butter, the natural kind, none of that processed rubbish, will add some healthy fats and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Peanut butter is also a great source of protein and adds a rich, nutty flavor to your smoothie. A splash of almond milk, unsweetened of course, will bring it all together. Almond milk is a fantastic dairy-free option that adds creaminess without the extra calories. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Blitz it all up until it's as smooth as a bodybuilder's oiled-up biceps. The blending process is crucial to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the smoothie is silky smooth. Take your time and blend until you reach the perfect consistency. Pour it into a glass, admire your handiwork, and get ready to hit the gym with a vengeance. This smoothie isn't just a drink, it's a reward for your hard work and dedication. Take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put into your fitness journey. This smoothie is so good, it'll have you lifting weights like a champion. With every sip, you'll feel more energized and ready to conquer your fitness goals. So go ahead, enjoy your protein powerhouse smoothie, and let it fuel your path to greatness. Alright, you lot, let's finish things off with a cucumber cooler smoothie. This delightful drink is perfect for those hot summer days when you need something cool and refreshing. It's not just any smoothie, it's a blend that will cleanse your palate and leave you feeling revitalized. Imagine sipping on this after a long day in the sun, or after an intense workout. The Cucumber Cooler Smoothie is designed to refresh your senses and give you that much-needed boost of hydration. This one's for all you health nuts out there who are looking for a light and refreshing way to start the day or cool down after a workout. It's packed with ingredients that are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Let's get started. First, grab a cucumber, a nice firm one, and chop it up. Cucumbers are fantastic because they're low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. Plus, they're incredibly hydrating. We need about a cup of chunks. Make sure they're evenly sized so they blend smoothly. Cucumbers are about 95% water, which makes them perfect for a hydrating smoothie. Now for the refreshing twist, we're adding a handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint is not only refreshing but also aids in digestion and has a cooling effect on the body. Don't be shy, pack them in there. The more mint, the fresher the taste. Mint leaves are also rich in nutrients and can help with bad breath and improve brain function. A squeeze of lime juice, just a touch, we don't want it to be too tart, will add a bit of zing. Lime juice is great for adding a burst of flavor and is also high in vitamin C, which is good for your immune system. And finally, a good glug of water to loosen it up. Water is essential for blending all the ingredients together smoothly and keeping you hydrated. Blitz it all together until it's as smooth as a baby's bottom. You want to make sure there are no chunks left, so blend it well. The smoother, the better. Pour it into a glass, garnish with a slice of cucumber and a sprig of mint, and you've got yourself a beautiful, refreshing drink. Prepare to be amazed. This smoothie is not only visually appealing but also incredibly tasty. The combination of cucumber, mint, and lime is simply divine. This smoothie is so good, it'll make you feel like you've just stepped out of a spa. It's the perfect way to treat yourself and stay healthy at the same time. Enjoy your cucumber cooler smoothie. Right, you lot, you've survived another one of my culinary boot camps. Now get out of my kitchen and go make yourselves one of these bloody delicious smoothies. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more recipes that don't make me want to shove a whisk up your, well, you get the idea. Leave a comment below and tell me which smoothie you're going to try first. And for God's sake, don't burn the kitchen down.